Hi, and welcome back to Simply Outrageous Math. Today we're going to multiply two numbers in the 90s. So our first example today, we're going to take the number 97 times 92. Both of these numbers are in the 90s, and in order to get the answer, you're going to first look at how far each of these numbers are away from 100. So 97 is actually 3 away from 100, and 92 is actually 8 away from 100. So to get the last part of your answer, you're simply going to multiply 3 times 8 here, and that will give you 24. So that's going to be the very end of our answer. And in order to get the first part of our answer, we're going to do one of two things. You could either subtract 8 from 97, or you could subtract 3 from 92. So if you subtract 97 minus 8, you will actually get 89. Or if you subtract 92 minus 3, you would get 89, which is the first part of your answer. So the answer is 8,924. All right, so we did that one kind of quickly. Let's try another one. In this example, we're going to multiply 96 times 94. Okay, using our system, we're actually going to look at how far 96 is away from 100. It's actually 4 away from 100. And 94 is 6 away from 100. We multiply 4 times 6, and that's going to give us 24. That's going to be the end of our answer. And now we want to subtract 6 from 96, or we want to subtract 4 from 94. 6 from 96 would give us 90, which is the first part of our answer, or 4 from 94 would give us 90. So our answer is 9,024. Okay, easy enough. Let's try one more. In this example, we're going to multiply 98 times 95. Okay, once again, we're going to look at how far is 98 from 100. Of course, that is 2 away from 100. 95 is 5 away from 100. So 5 times 2 is going to give us 10. Once again, that's going to be the end of our answer. And to get the first part of our answer at the beginning, we're going to subtract 98 minus 5, or we can subtract 95 minus 3, whichever you'd like to do. So 98 minus 5 is 93, and 95 minus 2 is 93. So our answer is 9,310. Hope you've learned something about multiplying two numbers in the 90s. Once again, this is Simply Outrageous Math, and thank you for joining us.